This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Matt Wood. Arlington gym for $225,000. Lots of updating on this one. Roof and vinyl siding replaced 2017. Updated kitchen featuring new countertops, stainless steel appliances, gas stove, dishwasher, microwave and refrigerator. Updated bathroom featuring new vanity, new plumbing and light fixtures, 1 LVP and pergo flooring throughout. Versatile floor plan featuring 3 bedrooms, living room, den and an office. Some rooms have smooth ceilings. Washer and dryer included. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Wood at 901-861-4808.